Attitude, or the way you look at things or life in general, can be good or bad depending on your life experiences. If you have had nothing but bad experiences in life, then chances are you have a negative attitude towards life. On the other hand, if you have had nothing but great experiences up to this point, then chances are you have a positive attitude. But what if I told you that attitude is nothing but a matter of choice, irrespective of your circumstances? Would you believe it? I'm pretty sure you won't. But before you say anything, I recommend that you read a book called Man's Search for Meaning, written by Dr. Viktor Frankl. Read that book, come back to this video, and then tell me if your problems seem bigger than those of a Holocaust survivor. Dr. Frankl literally lost everything, but still somehow he managed to maintain a positive attitude and find his why to keep going in life. If he can do it, then why can't we? Just think about it for a moment. Now comes the question, how can ordinary people like you and I develop a positive attitude despite negative circumstances? First of all, it is important to note that the severity of circumstances depends on our approach or attitude towards life. Once you make necessary changes in your attitude, things don't seem as daunting as they once were. Now coming back to the question, how to change your attitude? For that purpose, all you have to do is read and listen to motivational content each and every day as often as possible. I suggest you read and listen to such content before and after a good night's sleep. Why? Because many studies have shown that our mind is most receptive when it is in a relaxed state. So pick a self-help book that you connect with and listen to motivational speech or podcast from your favorite motivational speaker and consume that content each and every day until the message from that content becomes a part of you. Sounds simple, right? Well, it might be simple, but it is not that easy. You see, developing a positive attitude is like going to the gym. Once a week or once a month is never gonna be enough. You have to put in effort day in and day out until it becomes effortless. Remember, commitment is the key. In order to develop a positive attitude, you will have to watch your words. Why? Because a positive attitude is impossible to achieve if you repeat negative words to yourself on a daily basis. It is said that thoughts are the things we say to ourselves either knowingly or unknowingly. The thoughts we have in our minds cannot be a thing without any words or images. So when we repeat words or mental images in our minds over and over, they transform into our beliefs. It is these thoughts and beliefs that compel us to take actions. Based on our actions, we get results. And then, depending on the outcome, we tend to think even more positively or negatively, and the cycle continues. So be very careful about what you say to yourself if you want a positive attitude and positive results. Now let's summarize the summary. Your attitude is your choice, irrespective of external influences. To develop a positive attitude, read and listen to motivational content daily as often as possible. Watch the words you speak to yourself and only let the positive ones in. So, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching or listening, and I will see you in the next one.